DJI Mini 3, the latest innovation from the world's leading drone manufacturer, DJI. In this video, we will explore the features and capabilities of this compact yet powerful aerial companion. Weighing just 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 is a true lightweight champion, making it perfect for travel enthusiasts, vloggers, and content creators on the go. Setting up the Mini 3 is a breeze with its foldable design. It easily fits into your backpack or pocket, ready to capture your adventures at a moment's notice. Equipped with a high-quality camera and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, the Mini 3 delivers incredibly smooth and stabilized footage, ensuring professional-grade results every time. Safety is a top priority. The Mini 3 is equipped with advanced sensors that help avoid obstacles and maintain a stable flight, giving you peace of mind while exploring new heights. Controlling the Mini 3 is effortless. Simply connect it to your smartphone, use the intuitive DJI Fly app, and enjoy a seamless flying experience with intelligent flight modes, precise controls, and easy access to professional editing tools. Never miss a moment with the Mini 3's extended battery life, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time. This ensures you have ample time to capture stunning aerial shots without worrying about recharging. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 3 is the perfect combination of portability, performance, and stunning visuals, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. This drone is your gateway to capturing the world from a whole new perspective. The world of Autel Evo Lite Plus, the ultimate companion for aerial photography enthusiasts, will explore the features and capabilities of this remarkable drone. The Autel Evo Lite Plus is also a lightweight and compact drone designed to capture breathtaking footage with ease. With its advanced technology and intuitive controls, it offers an unparalleled flying experience. Equipped with a high-quality 4K camera, the Autel Evo Lite Plus ensures stunning image and video quality. It allows you to capture crystal-clear aerial shots with vivid colors and incredible details, bringing your creative vision to life. The Evo Lite Plus features advanced flight stability and precise control, thanks to its advanced GPS and visual positioning systems. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, you can confidently fly and capture smooth footage in various environments. The Autel Evo Lite Plus comes with a user-friendly remote controller that provides a seamless flying experience. It offers a range of intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Waypoints, and Orbit, allowing you to effortlessly create dynamic and cinematic shots. Through the Autel Explorer app, you can access a range of features and settings to enhance your photography experience. From adjusting camera settings to live streaming your footage, the app provides a convenient and immersive interface. Another notable feature of the Autel Evo Lite Plus is its compact design. With foldable arms, it becomes incredibly portable, making it easy to carry on your outdoor adventures and capture stunning shots wherever you go. The Autel Evo Lite Plus is a powerful and versatile drone that brings your aerial photography to new heights. With its exceptional camera quality, stability, and intelligent flight modes, it's the perfect tool to unleash your creativity and capture stunning visuals from above. Now we dive into the world of aerial cinematography with the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Let's explore the incredible features that make this drone a game-changer for both professionals and enthusiasts. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro boasts an advanced camera system with a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 4,000 footage at 60 frames per second. This sensor delivers exceptional image quality and dynamic range, allowing you to capture every detail of your aerial adventures. But the Mavic 3 Pro isn't just about incredible imagery. It also comes equipped with intelligent flight modes like Active Track 4.0, which effortlessly tracks subjects, and Point of Interest 3.0, which creates cinematic orbits around objects. These features enable you to capture professional-grade shots with ease. With an extended flight time of up to 45 minutes and an improved transmission range of 10 kilometers, the Mavic 3 Pro provides extended exploration and creative possibilities. Its enhanced obstacle sensing and avoidance system ensure a safe flight experience, even in complex environments. Furthermore, DJI has focused on portability and convenience. The Mavic 3 Pro features a foldable design, making it incredibly compact and easy to transport. Its intuitive remote controller and user-friendly interface allow for seamless control and quick setup, giving you more time to focus on capturing your vision. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro sets a new standard for aerial photography and videography, Its exceptional camera capabilities, intelligent flight modes, and enhanced flight performance make it a must-have tool for anyone passionate about capturing breathtaking aerial footage. With the Mavic 3 Pro, the sky is no longer the limit. The DJI Air2 S, the ultimate drone for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. With its cutting-edge technology and advanced features, the Air2 S takes your creative possibilities to new heights. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Air2 S captures stunning 20-megapixel photos and records breathtaking 5.4K video. Its high-resolution capabilities ensure exceptional image quality, allowing you to capture every detail with remarkable clarity. The Air2 S features a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, providing ultra-smooth and steady footage even during high-speed maneuvers. Whether you're shooting cinematic landscapes or tracking fast-moving subjects, the Air2 S delivers professional-quality results. This intelligent drone comes packed with intelligent flight modes, including Active Track 4.0, which enables the Air2 S to autonomously track subjects while avoiding obstacles. You can easily capture dynamic shots and follow subjects with precision, with an impressive maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes. The Air2 S lets you explore vast landscapes and seize every photographic opportunity. Its O3 AccuSync 3.0 transmission technology ensures a stable and reliable connection, allowing you to fly confidently at a distance of up to 12 kilometers. Controlling the Air2 S is intuitive and convenient thanks to the DJI Fly app. You can access intelligent shooting modes, adjust camera settings, and even edit and share your footage seamlessly, all from the palm of your hand. Whether you're a professional photographer or an aspiring creator, the DJI Air2 S empowers you to unleash your creativity from above. Elevate your aerial photography and videography with the Air2 S and capture stunning moments that will last a lifetime. We're here to introduce the latest innovation from DJI, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Get ready to take your aerial photography to new heights. Let's dive into the exciting features of this compact powerhouse. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a marvel of engineering, packed with advanced technology to capture stunning aerial footage. With its lightweight design and foldable arms, it's incredibly portable, making it easy to take it wherever your adventures may lead. Equipped with a high-quality camera, the Mini 3 Pro allows you to shoot breathtaking 4K videos and capture stunning 12-megapixel photos. With exceptional clarity, the 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures smooth and steady footage, even in windy conditions. But what truly sets the Mini 3 Pro apart are its intelligent flight modes with Active Track. It can automatically track and follow subjects, allowing you to effortlessly capture dynamic shots. The quick-shot modes enable you to create professional-looking videos with just a few taps, adding a touch of cinematic flair to your footage. Safety is a top priority for DJI, and the Mini 3 Pro is no exception. It features an advanced obstacle avoidance system that uses sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in its path. This ensures a worry-free flying experience, even for beginners. Additionally, the Mini 3 Pro boasts an extended flight time of up to 40 minutes, allowing you to capture more footage in a single flight session. Its enhanced connectivity offers a reliable and stable connection up to 10 kilometers away, thanks to DJI's AccuSync 3.0 technology. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 Pro doesn't compromise on performance. It comes with a dedicated remote controller featuring a built-in screen, making it convenient to fly and control the drone. The Fly More combo includes extra batteries, propellers, and a convenient carrying case, providing everything you need for extended flights. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is a game-changer in the world of aerial photography. With its incredible image quality, intelligent flight modes, and enhanced safety features, it's the ultimate tool to capture stunning shots from above. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your creativity and soar to new heights with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Get ready to capture moments like never before. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the world of tech.